Hi, I'm reading from DMC. Do you know there is a setting on Instagram called dark mode? You might be having trouble on how to turn it on. Actually, it just takes a simple step to get it done. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram.
To turn on dark mode on Instagram, you just drag down the menu and you will see there is a button with color black and white. So for this button, you click one time to off. And you see dark mode off and you click one time again. Okay, you will see dark mode on. Means for iOS at the same time, you will turn on the Instagram dark mode and WhatsApp dark mode. So now let's check. Okay, and you will see dark mode on Instagram has been turned on. Okay, at the same time for WhatsApp, okay, you will see the dark mode already turned on WhatsApp. So this is power of iOS.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.